Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wood piece from Dollar Tree as well as these oval wood pieces from Amazon. I started by painting 4 of the regular size ones with English Navy acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. Another 5 I painted with Barn Red acrylic paint. And then another 5 with Plaster chalk paint by Waverly. I also painted a small piece, a more rounded one, with that English Navy color. The wood piece from Dollar Tree I painted with a Lite Mocha acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel as well. Once that's dry, I take some Plaster chalk paint and a baby wipe and give that a whitewash look around the entire piece, and then dry that completely. I then give the front of it a quick sanding to distress it a bit more. I alternate the red and white colors and then add in a couple of the blue over to the left side. And then I take the pieces and hot glue them into place. Once those are all glued down, I take a piece of Nautical rope and I kind of just fan out the end so it lies a little bit flatter in between those bottom pieces. Hot glue that into place. And then I just add some hot glue where I'll be placing down the rest of that rope. And then place that down and trim up the end of it. Next, I just take the rest of the pieces and overlap them with those bottom ones. And then add hot glue to place those down as well. And then take that smaller piece that I had painted with that blue color and place that in the center. Next, I'm taking the end of a paintbrush and dipping that in that Plaster chalk paint and making dots throughout the blue color. And then I'm taking these clear stamps that I got from Temu and placing them on an acrylic block that I got from Dollar Tree. Once I have those lined up, I'm spelling out USA. I press down the ink pad onto those stamps and then place that on this little tag I had got, just giving it some pressure. And then I take a piece of twine and loop that through the hole in the tag. And then I'm going to hot glue that twine onto the Nautical rope and then cut off the excess. Next, I'm taking some more twine and just wrapping that around my hand a few times to make a little bow. Take some more twine and add it to the center of that loop. And then cut away the excess tails from that and hot glue that right on top of where I had glued down the tag. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.